Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Monday Hero with the template file that's already uploaded beforehand and prepared for you. Create your account and go to Downloads page. In this page, select your operating system and download Monday Hero app. Don't forget to download the necessary plugins. I will use Adobe XD plugin. Install Monday Hero and open the app. Log in with your email and password. You can upload any design you like to convert to code. I will use the travel amp template that I left the link below in the comments. Select the screens and go to Plugins menu. Find Monday Hero and click Export Selected Artboards. I don't have any project, so I will create our first project and name it. When it's done, click to Import to Project button. Monday Hero will upload the screens, cut the image, and write the base code for you. And you will need to define some components to get the final code. When the uploading finishes, you can see the pages. So let's start from the sign up page. Monday Hero will define the elements as views, images, and labels. You can see them on the Views menu here. Click on any item to highlight them on the design. Down here, there's another text. As you can see, you can find all the types there. On the Components menu, you can find all the system components like buttons, text fields, and search bars. On the Custom Component menu, you can create your own custom reusable components. I will show you how to do it in a moment. You can find color codes with hex and RGB on the Colors menu. The last menu is the Fonts menu. You can find the text styles there. They are automatically named and they do not contain duplicate colors and fonts. Okay, let's start to create our components. On this page, I can see 3 text fields and 1 button. There are 2 ways to create components. First, select the elements on the page and right-click to create new instances of a button. Or you can go to System Components and click Button and create a new instance. The properties of the button, background and title are automatically matched, so I will only give it a variable name and click Finish. When it's done, we can find our Sign Up button here. On the right side, let's search for its code. And here is the code for it. Congrats, it's done. The sign up button is not reusable, but on the sign up page I can see 3 text fields. These are username, email, and password. That's why I will create a reusable text field by using custom components. So let's click on text field and click on create a custom text field to make the component reusable. Click and drag and select one text and the view. Group them as text fields. Let's call it username text field. And the component name should be a general name, so I will call it form text field and I will give it a description. When it's finished, we have username text field, which is an instance of the form text field. Let's check the code. Because it's reusable, it has its own custom file and you can see it on the custom components menu with its image. It's possible to create new instances from it for similar text fields. So let's create email text fields. The properties of the form text fields, which are background and placeholder, are automatically selected. Let's quickly check if they are correct. And let's name it email text fields. Cool, now these 2 views are converted to form text fields as you can see on the views menu. Lastly, let's define password text field so we can finish coding this page. Because password area has an eye icon, so it's not the same as form text fields. That's why I will create a system text field instead of form text fields. And give it a variable name and click Finish. Yay, it's done. Let's skip to more complex pages now. Let's go to the list page to define a list. Go to System Components menu and find the list component. This component is a component that has repeating cells inside a scroll view, like you see in this page. Let's click Create New Instance button. In this step, it asks me to select all the elements in the list, and we can name it Homepage List. In the second step, it asks me to select the cell prototype, which is the repeating cell area in the list. Let's call it Travel Post Cell and click Finish. The list is created and we can see it on the Views menu. Let's download and see the working code. The code is downloaded, so let's go to Downloads. Double-click to open the Xcode project. All the code, components, pages, colors, fonts, and assets are downloaded. All the assets are downloaded in three sizes: 1x, 2x, and 3x. Let's open main storyboard file and launch the Sign Up View controller. You can see the text fields and button is working. Let's also launch the list page. And we are done. And that's how you convert design to code in 6 minutes.